Your brain is the most powerful weapon you will ever carry. Not your phone, not your computer, not the endless information at your fingertips. Because when life strikes with pain, depression, heartbreak, failure, loss, no such engine can save you. You are left alone with your mind 24 hours a day. Your thoughts whispering, pulling, dragging you into the fears and doubts. And here is the truth. If you don't control your brain will control you. You must become the commander, the one who decides where you are going, how you'll get there, and what you'll endure on the way. But how? It's begin with hard work, the kind of work most people give up on. When you can't figure something out, go back again. Still don't get it, go back again. Failed, go back again. Tired, go back again. Until your mind has no choice but to adapt, until your brain says, this person is not quitting. We must adjust. We must overcome. Most people try hard, but the brain knows when you are lying. It knows when you are bluffing. That's why most people never change. You want real transformation? Then you must create a new normal. When your body is tired, your mind must say, this is what we do. When things get painful, your mind must say, this is home now, this is normal. You put on suffering the way others put on clothes, not as punishment, but as your responsibility, your path. And when your mind accepts that, it grows tougher, it hardens, it refuses to see pain as abnormal. That's how you keep moving when everything inside you screams to stop. Because your mind has learned this is who we are, this is what we do. Here is the danger. Most people settle at good enough. They stop at trying hard. They convince themselves they have reached their full potential, when in truth, they haven't even come close. Your real power begins only when you stop negotiating with pain. When you declare, this struggle, this suffering, it's my new normal. Most people call it extreme. But the reality is this: the brain is designed for survival, and if you train it to endure, if you teach it that quitting is not an option, it will adapt. When you push through exhaustion, when you keep moving on brokenness, when you stand strong in the storm, that's where true strength is born. Most people look at their wounds and say, I am broken, I can't go on. But the few look at their wounds and say, I am broken, but I am still here and I'll not quit. That is the mindset that changes everything. When suffering deepens, anger won't carry you. Revenge won't carry you. Proving other wrong won't carry you. You need something stronger, something deeper, something rooted so far down it cannot be burned away. And the only way to find it is through trial, through pain, through accountability. No one can hand it to you. You have to go into the darkness and carve it out yourself. Here's the paradox. We all want peace, we want comfort, we want ease. But the peace doesn't come first. It comes only after the work, after the struggle, after the sacrifice. Peace is earned, and the price is discipline, sacrifice, pain, accountability. Once you have paid that price, you are unshaken. So, ask yourself, what will your new normal be? Will you let your brain dictate your limits? Or will you rise, take command and say, no, I decide, this is who I am, this is what I do, and I will not quit. Because when you master your mind, nothing in this world can break you.